everybody, and thanks for joining us again on the Real Estate Drive-Thru. We're your hosts, Ryan and Shubha, and we're here to answer all your real estate questions in under 3 minutes or it's free.
Thanks, Shubha. Today's question comes from Cassandra. And to answer Cassandra's question, we brought in Erik Fraser from Neil Mara Fraser Law. Cassandra was wondering, when is our lawyer going to get involved in the transaction?
Well, as our viewers already know, when we went through the process in buying a home, that once you got your purchase and sale agreement firm, you got your mortgage approved and rubber stamped, we'll send you off to visit your lawyer. So maybe Erik, you can tell us what happens from this point.
So once clients have firmed up an agreement of purchase and sale with their real estate agent, they'll usually give me a call, and I'll have a telephone conversation about whatever transaction it is they're interested in carrying out, whether it be a purchase transaction or a sale transaction. I can give them a quote over the phone and walk through the process with them a little bit.
One of the questions that I get a lot from my clients are what are associated with those costs that the lawyers charge?
Sure. I have flat fees posted up on my website for real estate purchase or sales transactions. Now there's a lot included in that fee. One of them would be title insurance on a purchase, for instance. On a sale, it could be the discharge of a mortgage, or on a purchase, the registration of a mortgage, for instance.
So it's my understanding that when you're obtaining title insurance, that the client's actually saving some additional money that would have been charged on searches and stuff like that?
Definitely. All of my purchases come with a policy of title insurance. It saves the clients down the road on search costs. There are also some other benefits to having a policy of title insurance, such as being protected from title fraud the entire time you own your home. As you probably know, title fraud is becoming a very major issue these days.
So now, what point along the process is they're going to actually have to come in and meet you and sign some paperwork?
Certainly. So after I have that conversation with them on the phone, they're going to get the agreement of purchase and sale into my office. And they can do that in a number of ways. It could be faxed into my office by the clients. It could be faxed into my office by the real estate agent. They could scan or email me the document, or they could drop it off on their own. Once we have the agreement of purchase and sale in my office and I quoted the client, we're going to open up a file and we'll be in touch with the clients from time to time up until the closing date. We usually get a sign-up appointment done with the clients a day or two before closing, and at that point they'll bring in anything that we need from them in order to close the deals.
So on the last day, you actually hand them the keys and they get their home?
Yes. Once we get everything we need from the clients, we get to the closing date, and I work with the lawyer and the bank to get whatever transaction closed that we need closed and get everything done. And we give the clients a call once the deal is closed on the closing date, and they come in and pick up their keys.
Awesome. Thanks for giving us that information and that walkthrough. And if any of our viewers want any more information, feel free to visit Erik at his website.
Or call me directly.
And
Hopefully I answer your question.
thanks for joining us again on the Real Estate Drive-Thru.
See you next time.